Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen IT Learning. Let me ask you this. Do you feel ready for the future job market? Because here's the truth. Technology is evolving faster than ever, and the skills that made you employable 5 years ago just aren't enough anymore. In 2025, employers want candidates who are not just degree holders, but tech-savvy problem solvers who can adapt, communicate, and innovate using digital tools. So, in today's video, we're breaking down 10 computer skills you must learn in 2025 if you want to stay competitive, land your dream job, or even start your own side hustle. Stick around till the end because I'll also share my secret tip on how you can learn these skills faster without spending a fortune. Let's get started. Skill number 1, Microsoft Office and Google Workspace Mastery. You might be thinking, wait, everyone already knows this. Well, not exactly. In Excel, you should know how to use pivot tables, conditional formatting, VLOOKUP, and macros to automate repetitive tasks. In Word, you should be able to create professional reports with headers, table of contents, and proper formatting for presentations. In PowerPoint, storytelling with visuals is key. No more boring bullet points. And don't forget Google Workspace since most modern companies are shifting to cloud collaboration. Skill number 2, typing speed and keyboard shortcuts. Sounds simple, right? Learning to type at 70-80 words per minute and memorizing keyboard shortcuts can save you hours. Instead of copying and pasting with the mouse, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus V or use Alt plus Tab to switch between apps instantly. Skill number 3, data management with Excel and SQL. If there's one skill that can get you hired in 2025 across multiple industries, it's data management, because every business runs on data. SQL is the real deal when working with large databases. Even just learning simple commands like select, insert, update, and delete puts you ahead of the average candidate. Skill number 4, cybersecurity awareness. Cybercrime is not slowing down. Companies expect you to know basic cybersecurity hygiene, spotting phishing emails, using two-factor authentication, and creating strong passwords. Imagine you're the one who spots a phishing email before others fall for it. You just saved your company from a potential cyber attack. Skill number 5, cloud computing and collaboration tools. The workplace has changed forever. Remote and hybrid jobs are here to stay. You need to know Google Drive, OneDrive for file storage, AWS and Microsoft Azure for IT, and collaboration tools like Slack, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. Skill number 6, AI and automation tools. This is the big one. AI is changing everything. Tools like ChatGPT help with research and writing. Zapier and Make can automate repetitive tasks. Instead of manually entering data, you can set up workflows to do it while you sleep. Skill number 7, basic graphic and video editing. Visual content is king in 2025. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or IT, everyone is expected to make presentations appealing. Learn Canva for quick designs, Photoshop for advanced editing, and video editing tools like CapCut or Premiere Pro for content creation. Skill number 8, programming fundamentals. Don't get scared. I'm not saying you need to become a software engineer. Start with HTML and CSS for web design, Python for automation and data analysis. Even understanding basic logic and loops will help you in troubleshooting and automation. Skill number 9, online collaboration and remote project management. Remote jobs are increasing, so you need to work effectively in digital teams. Learn Trello, Asana, Notion for task management. Imagine managing a project with a team in 3 different countries using clear tracking instead of messy messages. Skill number 10, digital etiquette and professional networking. Employers don't just look at your resume, they look at your LinkedIn profile and social media behavior. Learn how to write professional emails, create a strong LinkedIn profile, and network without sounding spammy. A single connection can open doors to jobs you didn't even apply for. So, those were the 10 computer skills you must learn in 2025 to become truly job ready. Remember, you don't need to master all of them at once. Pick 1 or 2, spend a few weeks building confidence, then move to the next. Within a year, you'll have a powerful set of skills that will make you stand out. Secret tip: I promised, many of these skills can be learned for free on platforms like YouTube, Free Code Camp, Khan Academy, or trial versions of tools. Don't wait for a perfect course. Start practicing right now. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Next Gen IT Learning, and share with friends serious about future-proofing their career. Which skill will you start learning first? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll personally reply. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.